Hey guys, good morning. I just wanted to give you a little bit of an update on what we're going to be rolling out for you this week and a little bit of a plan for how the next couple weeks are going to go. So this is going to be your online learning plan for the week of April 13th to the 17th. And at this point, we know that your final grades are going to be calculated from quarters 1 through 3. And we also know that the fourth period, marking period, is going to be pass or fail, or satisfactory, unsatisfactory, however you want to say it. So I realize at this point, you kind of have to decide for yourself what you would like to do. I will definitely still be putting materials out here for you every single week, and they will go into the grade book with a grade. So you're going to have to decide what you would like to do with that. If there's anybody that's in a position that you would really like to improve your overall GPA or something like that, it could be something that you want to make sure that you consider doing the work. But other than that, I'm going to offer some Zoom sessions if you guys would like to chat a little bit. But I was very sad to hear that we're not going back to school, and I'm so sorry for all of you that this is happening. If there's anything I can do for you, please make sure that you reach out. So here's what we have going on this week. Last week we talked about competition analysis. This week we're going to be talking about industry analysis. So what we have going on, I'm just going to roll out this learning plan video for you so you can see it on Monday if you would like to see it. And then we've got a little bit of a Wawa industry analysis sample for you. And there's just a couple questions with that to get you started and a little bit of background. And then we're going to ask you to create an industry analysis for your company idea. So you're looking at this Google Doc right now of our online learning plan. This is a quick look for you of what the Wawa industry analysis is going to look like. And then this is also a quick look for you of what your industry analysis is going to look like for your company activity. So for your company, one of the things that we're doing is we actually, this looks like a lot of text, but one of the things I'm just trying to do is I'm obviously not there, to help you out, but please notice just a couple things. On our Wawa activity, I believe it's going to be 10 points for you, and on this industry analysis, it's going to be 30 points. That's very, very different than a 100-point assignment. So if you choose to stay involved and work on this, I would love to give you feedback on it. And other than that, I'm signing off for today. So if there's anything I can help you with, please make sure you let me know. Just want to leave you with one last thing, that we're going to continue to roll out your weekly plans with everything being due on that final day of the week at midnight, just to try to provide you with some continuity. I hope you guys are all doing well, and I'm going to offer a couple Zoom sessions, and I can't wait to see your smiling faces. So good luck with all of your college decisions that I know are right around the corner, and I hope to see you soon. Take care.